Good morning. Cucina di Pesca. Cucina di Pesca. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. Hey Peter, hey Make Movers. This place has been here a really long time. It's a good Italian fish restaurant. Hey Pierre. Good morning. East Village Comedy Club. I've never been there. There's a lot of performance spaces on this block. There's MoMA. Another theater there, La Mama. Good morning, Pierre. Here's another theater, New York Theater Workshop. Hey, Baz. Good morning. Who's that? Casey, how are you? Random accessories and gifts. Hey, Raider. Cute. It would be nice. I wouldn't mind having a little shop. I'm good, thanks. Oddfellows ice cream. You see, my neighborhood doesn't wake up till later. We're all like, forget the morning. Electric guitars and repairs. Oh, you're welcome, Makes. I love to show New York off. It's really amazing, this town. Hey, MD. Only $59 for ukulele. Or is that, what's that called? A little tiny guitar. Good morning, Georgia. Hey, QB. Look at that little tiny amp. Honeytone amp. Hey, Arda. Hi, Paula. And then over there is the 4th Street Co-op, the food co-op. Welcome, Big K, to Periscope. Travel the world. You see, don't you love how this neighborhood is just like, doesn't want to wake up early? Guitars unplugged. The fragrance shop's open though. Rainy day. Yeah, I have my umbrella. I haven't put it up yet, but some places are open. But not everybody. Cool chocolate for hot weather. Cool chocolate. Disorder. Obsessive chocolate disorder. Mexican general store. So if you need something from Mexico. This is the Cooper Square Committee for Tenants' Rights in this neighborhood. And there's Phoebe's on the corner. It has really good French fries. Yeah, we're a late night neighborhood. This is the part of town everybody comes to go out to eat and party. And I mean, there's other neighborhoods too that are open late, but we tend to not open early on top of it. Hey, Karma. So yeah, Phoebe's is good. Across the street is the Bowery Bar and Grill, which is very it's very shishi in terms of, a see and be seen place, or it used to be anyway, models and whatnot. Look at the cute little car. A Boxster. Little yellow Cadillac. I mean, a little yellow convertible. It's a Porsche. Wow. How much do we love Porsches? Hey, Peter. Look, I'm taller than it. Way taller. Wouldn't that be fun to have a little yellow convertible Porsche? Or zip around the city in? I don't know what kind of mileage they get, but... So I'm going to work. I'm not due until noon. But I guess I'll get there an hour early. Hey, AB. And do some extra work. I'm not going to walk the whole way, though. I know, I want a little Porsche like that. It would be fun. Ooh, I better run. About to get stuck in the middle. That is Cooper Union up front. Maybe not in New York City, though. Why? Look, he's parking on the street. Honestly, New York is not like at least New York is not like this horrible place, you know. We're relatively safe for a big city. Because you know why? There's cameras everywhere. Get a coffee. Oh my gosh, I've had so much coffee already. That's why I'm not earlier to work. Oh, they're getting ready for spring. Springtime already. Protecting the little plants in the center. Oh, don't need a car. You're right. I had two in New York back in the day when this neighborhood was really sucky. Hey, Feed. Safest big city. Yeah, it's one of the safest. I think if you look on the list of per capita city safety, we're pretty good. Certain neighborhoods are better than others, of course, but in general. Hey, Joey. The New York City Police Department is also seriously amazing because I remember like looking outside my window one time and there were about 8 or 9 policemen who spent about 40 minutes trying to convince this guy just to go walk down the block so they wouldn't have to arrest him. Hey, Rez. Oh, me too, Georgia. And they were like, just go. He was like kicked out of a restaurant for like walking, you know, to different tables. What's up? What's up? Zero tolerance is right. But also compassion. They show a lot of compassion. Hi, Mr. Toe. What's up? What's up? Look, we have sunshine. I don't even need my heavy coat, but I'll be working till 8, so you never know what it'll be later on. What's up? Look, see, somebody had their window crack smashed open. That's all window glass right there. So it's not always the most idyllic, but in general. NYPD is amazing. Oh, look, there's another periscoper. Hi, Clara. We are everywhere. Hey, Claire. Hey, Awen. That is so funny. Here's me. Wanted me to show myself. Hi. I do show myself right before the end of the scope. I flip the camera. Here's the Astor block. Here's some yummy things to eat. Hey, Arif. I know, I think that's the first time I've actually seen another periscoper. Hey, JRC. I mean, I think he was periscoping. Looked like it. This block can turn if you have a couple of people strong enough to push it. It's on a turning spindle. Hi, how are you, DRC? So we're going to take the yellow line up to Chelsea. I'm not walking the whole way. Hey, Dave. I walked almost a mile. I guess that's a mile, actually, I walked. And like 20 blocks north is a mile. So I'm sorry, I walked about a half a mile. Hey, AB. I'm good, thanks. Hi, AC. There's Kmart. Kmart has everything. Kmart has clothes, Kmart has food, Kmart has household. I love Kmart. Oh, somebody remind me if I forget, I need a binder. A 3-hole punch binder. I'm trying to wrap up all my paperwork for 2017. Yes, I am a New Yorker. I was born in Manhattan, about a mile from here in the West Village, in St. Vincent's Hospital, which has now turned into a building of condominiums. Oh. Look, mannequins. Oh, good. New Yorkers are a special breed. We don't realize the rest of the world isn't like us until you travel. Hey, here's me. Oh. I put a little sticker over my camera. Oh, turn. Hi, good morning. Great day, everybody, and thanks for joining. I'm sorry if I missed anything anybody said or your name when joining in. And have some fun today. So hopefully see you tomorrow. Good night. Yeah, it will be good night. Good day and good night. Ciao. Au revoir. Merci for joining.